Okay, so Liam and I are gonna do a little potential adventure.
Go for Big Daddy Nassar.
Can I steal a car for the next 24 hours?
Yeah, what do you need?
A car that would take me to Detroit.
Yeah, no worries. Let's do this. I'll give you a Toyota Camry I have.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, John.
Thanks, John.
Bye. Okay.
We're going to Detroit. So next step will be heading back to Chicago, grabbing some supplies, provisions,
grabbing a car
from Sully, then turning around and
going to Detroit.
And we're going to Detroit.
All right. Hey.
Hey guys, what's up?
So you know how I call you once in a while and ask if I can spend the night?
Uh-huh.
This is one of those times.
Oh. When are you going to be in town?
I would be in town in like 6 hours.
How are you even going to spend the night? It's going to be morning.
Do you know how I call and ask if I can spend the morning?
We're on Lakeshore Drive right now, heading back to my place, and then we're gonna stop by Liam's.
Then we're gonna go to Wicker Park.
We're gonna go to Wicker Park, get the car.
Skokie.
Go to Skokie.
Get the car.
Let's go.
Keys, Wicker Park.
Keys are in Wicker Park.
Car is in Skokie.
Car is in Skokie. Oh, so we're just going further and further away from Detroit.
Well, we get a better car.
We did get a better car. Thanks.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
What's up?
I'm in the car with my friend Rob.
Hi.
Add some time and stop in Grand Rapids tonight instead.
You should probably stop tonight.
Update here. It's now 9:15. When did we first decide to do this? 7? 2 hours past when we first decided to do this. We are now further away from Detroit. But we're borrowing a car because this one has a check engine light on. That's the reason why we're not taking this one. 5 hours to Detroit was feeling like a lot. So now we're gonna make a pit stop in Grand Rapids and then we'll drive across Michigan tomorrow to go see the Catamaran. So that's the plan.
Just drop it.
No? Well, look over there. Anyway, just gonna put this mirror right back on here. Nailed it.
Hey guys, we're stealing Sully's car. Yes.
Oh boy. Welcome to Michigan.
Yay.
Okay, it is 11. What time is it?
It's 109.
It's 109.
I just jumped in.
Oh. Okay. Yep. So we're in Michigan now. It's now 2. Oh, nice. Alright.
He's very good at it. People like his face. Not my face.
What did you say about my face?
People like it. He also holds the camera way too close to you.
Anyway, watch this cool transition. Thanks for having us.
That's cool transition.
Thanks for showing up at 3 a.m.
Yeah, you're welcome. Pretty cool road.
Detroit.
We're not in Detroit.
Grand Rapids. I'm tired. Rob's very tired. He got he got like twice the amount of sleep.
Yeah, I got there and just went to bed right away.
And then he pranked me.
I didn't have my alarm turned off.
So I thought like, oh, there must be something wrong with the house. Or like there's crickets stuck somewhere.
Oh, I might have it on
Emotionally
the
and
birds.
mentally.
And it does kind of ramp up, doesn't it? Kind of like a couple birds, and they start chirping louder and louder, and then they start squawking.
I just thought I was going nuts.
Anyway, we're getting breakfast. Hey. Yeah, we're doing one more coffee shop before we start driving to Detroit.
I hate you right now.
We're going family picture.
Wait, I need to drop a ticket. This is how you hold it.
Oh, this is how you hold it?
We're here.
What's that?
It's a boat.
Boat. That's a boat. That's a boat, all right. Yeah. So it's pretty sweet.
Here's my boat.
Smells a boaty in here. Oh yeah, could use some work.
Yeah, so this side is the side that was flooded.
Yeah, okay.
Like
I see,
the
yeah.
water was up to here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, for the entire side.
That can't be good.
And now, of course, it's really dry in here, though, which is nice.
Yay. Oh, this is fun. Cool little area. Liam.
Yo. Hey.
Yeah, it's just a look underneath. It's kind of interesting.
Oh wow. I mean, it's still got something, but I'm out of the water, so I'm not gonna risk the impeller. So now what he's doing right now is looking for soft spots. So it's not gonna hurt the boat, but he's checking for soft spots along it. Because what happens is inside this fiberglass is there's a wooden layer, and he wants to see if the water has gotten through, and if there has been delamination, and the water's gotten through to the wood, because it'll just eat your boat alive. And so we're hearing. So he's listening for it to sound
got
wet.
some spots right here.
Alright, where's the damage?
Well, the boat was a wrap, so it was flooded.
That's a good start.
A few things has to get done. John suggested we just redo the electric. Down here, this entire side was flooded. Entirely. This bulkhead is broken, it's busted, and rotted at the bottom. So it needs to be replaced. Cut out all this and then re-glass it at the bottom. It's all broken around the edges.
Re-glass it, like the fiberglass?
Fiberglass it, yeah. Then we gotta rewire all the bilge pumps. Then we gotta cut. This underneath me is all rotted. I'm nervous stepping on it. This all should get cut and re-glassed. Like you see that separation right there, and that right to my right, your left. That should be connected. So, this top just has to get obviously done.
Not like that.
Yeah. Over here, this is actually all good. It's all fine.
I almost just fell in that hole.
He said to get rid of this because this is a propane. Just get rid of it.
The fridge is propane?
It's a propane fridge.
How does that even work?
It's a gas propane.
Science is crazy, man.
I don't understand it.
Science is crazy.
You can see this bulkhead also.
Also wiggly.
Slotted at the bottom. Look at this. Ready?
Ew. Squishy wood.
We'd replace all these windows. So before this gets moved, I have to take all the rigging down, redo the decks.
The rigging is what holds up the sails.
The rigging is what holds up the sails. My tiredness is catching up with me.
What?
What? Liam, why? And try and pull it back through. Leave me alone. Don't bully me. Yeah, and I think that's actually it right now. But the hull, like the body is good. It's gonna be expensive. And it's gonna be a lot of work. And it's a lot of things that I don't know how to do. And I don't even know how to sail. So,
And I know even less.
yeah.
Should we go home?
Yeah.
Okay.
What kind of car is that?
What kind of car are you?